Hello friends, coming to the next topic of database management system is component of database management system. I said database management system is a software which is used to manage the database. So, what is the component of database management system? The component of database management system are user, software, hardware and data. So that are the related terms that are used in database management system. So everything will be communicated on this. It means user wants to communicate data with the help of software and hardware. Now we will discuss each and every component of database management system. So the first component is user. So what is user here? So user are nothing but the application programmer who implement applications. So the users are application programmer, end users and database management administrator who are managing the database in a company. You call it as a database administrator. So the application programmer, end user and database administrator are the users. So the first component is user, that are application programmer, end user or database administrator. Now coming to the second component, that is software. A software is nothing but it is used to control the organization, control the storage management and retrieval of data in database. So software are basically used to control the organization, the whole storage management of organization, or if we want to retrieve the data in database, then software are used to retrieve the data in database. So this is the second component. Next component is hardware. So what is the role of hardware? Hardware is a system can range from PC to a network of components. It also includes various storage devices like hard disk and input-output devices like monitor, printer. If you want to communicate with data, you need storage devices like hardware and input-output devices like monitor to return and display the data on the screen, and if we need hard copy, then we need printer. So hardware is the third component. Next component is data, and it is the most important component. Data stored in database includes numerical data, non-numerical data and logical data. So what type of data we store in our database? Data stored in database include numerical data, non-numerical data and logical data. It means in database data are many types like numerical data, non-numerical data and logical data. In which type of data we want to store in database, we can store in our data. So the components of database management system are user, software, hardware and data. Users are the application programmers and software are used to control the organization, and hardware where we store the data, and last one is the data. It means which type of data we store in database. So that's all for today lecture. Thank you.